Do any kind of buffing and polishing, this might be a set you want to take a look at. Now, I'm going to show you a little bit about these, and you can decide whether or not they're right for you. These guys were nice enough to send these out to me so I could show you a little bit about them, and that's what we're going to do. We have several different wheels here, buffing, and we have the buffing compound to go with it. So these are designed to go on a grinder, so that's what we're going to do. We'll get this set up and we'll buff something. Now these are designed to go onto grinders, and I have a bigger grinder, but I just put it on this one for now. This is going to be just fine. As you can see, now the key now is to get some of the compound on here, and then we'll go buff something. Of course, you're going to want to clean your wheels and all that stuff, and you can go through the different compounds. But this is exactly the type of use that you would want to use this for, and then you can clean things up. You can see already it's a lot shinier here where I did that, but the ideal thing to do would be to clean the wheels up, get them all ready, and then do the whole wheels, and you have multiple different compounds you can use depending on what you're looking for a finish, and you'll be good to go. Now, these guys were nice enough to send these out to me. Again, it does not come with the grinder, it just comes with the disc and the compound to use on it, and I want to thank them for sending out. It's definitely going to come in handy with different things, polishing, buffing, different stuff like that. I can think of several different uses for this over time, so I want to thank them for sending it out. I really appreciate it, and hopefully a short video helps you out and you can determine whether or not these are going to be right for you. But now if you click that order button, you know what you're going to get.